All right, class. Today's topic is something you hear everywhere, bubble, but very few people truly understand it. Let me explain it the Professor Cluck way.
Professor, what exactly is a bubble?
Good question, Ethan. Let's understand this. Imagine a farm. A chicken finds corn. The price of the corn is 1 coin. The chicken eats the corn. One day, the farm says that corn is becoming difficult to get. Corn becomes rare, and corn becomes more valuable.
So, the price of corn goes up?
Exactly, Sophia. Now the chickens start thinking, if corn gets more expensive tomorrow, we should buy more today. So they start buying corn, not to eat, but to sell later at a higher price.
To sell?
Exactly. They're trading, not consuming. The next day, the price of corn goes up to 2 coins. More chickens start joining in. Buying increases, selling increases, and no one is eating the corn anymore.
This is strange.
Yeah, now the price of corn rises to 5 coins. The chickens get excited. They start thinking, I'm a genius. Look at my corn, buy more. Then the price of corn jumps to 10 coins. The chickens stop farming, they stop working. All they do now is trade corn. Corn is no longer food. It has become a business.
So, does its purpose change?
Exactly. Now the price of corn rises to 20 coins. Chaos begins. Everyone wants to get in. And no one is asking, why is this so expensive?
They're just following others?
Yes. This is called FOMO, fear of missing out. The chickens don't want to be left behind, so they follow the crowd. This is called herd behavior. One chicken buys, then another, and suddenly everyone is buying.
So, the price goes up because people keep buying?
Exactly. Now this is where things start to get dangerous. Some chickens go to the bank and say, give us coins, we want to buy more corn. They borrow money to buy it. This is called leverage, using money that you don't even have to buy something you don't fully understand.
This is risky?
Way too much. Now the bubble gets even bigger. Corn jumps to 50 coins, then 100. At this point, no one is eating the corn anymore. Everyone is just trading. Then one day, a chicken gets hungry. It looks at the corn and realizes, why is this so expensive? It's just corn. And then the others realize it too. It's just corn.
And then the panic begins?
Yes, exactly. One chicken sells, then another, then all of them. The price starts to fall. 100, 50, 20, 10, 2, 1. Now many chickens are stuck. I bought at 100. Who's going to buy for me now?
So, the problem isn't the asset. It's people's behavior?
Exactly right, Liam. People don't buy value, they buy hype. They don't think, they just follow. So the next time you see something rising fast, don't ask, how much can I make? Ask, why is it going up? Because that one question can save you from becoming the last chicken, stuck holding corn at the highest price. Class dismissed. Subscribe.